If you're responsible for maintenance and asset management, but you don't have the budget for enterprise software, you're not alone. Many teams are caught in the middle. Spreadsheets no longer cut it, but heavyweight CMMS platforms are too expensive and require too much time and effort to implement. In this video, we'll break down what affordable CMMS software looks like today, what features to prioritize, and we'll take a look at one of the more popular solutions out there, Click Maint, as a great option for cost-conscious teams. Let's dive in. Maintenance software isn't just for large, complex manufacturing plants anymore. Today, CMMS tools are used by small and mid-sized manufacturers, facilities and property managers, healthcare, education, and public sector teams, utilities, hospitality, and fleet operators, and more. The challenge? Many CMMS platforms were designed for large enterprises with pricing, implementation timelines, and complexity to match. Affordable CMMS software matters because it helps teams move away from reactive run-to-fail maintenance without a major IT project, centralize and automate work orders, assets, and preventative schedules, improve uptime and accountability without a big financial investment, and realize value quickly, not months down the road. The goal isn't cheap software. Instead, it's implementing solutions that improve maintenance efficiency at a reasonable, sustainable cost. How to evaluate affordable CMMS software. Before looking at products, here are the criteria that matter most when budgets are tight. Number 1, core maintenance functionality. You should get work orders, preventative maintenance, asset tracking, parts inventory, and reporting, all without paying extra for basics. Number 2, mobile access for technicians. Maintenance happens on the floor or in the field, not at a desk. Managing work orders, requests, and assets from phones or tablets is table stakes across all CMMS platforms. Number 3, ease of setup and use. If the system requires weeks of configuration or heavy training, the hidden cost is low adoption and slow ROI. Number 4, scalable pricing. Affordable CMMS platforms should scale reasonably as you add assets, users, or locations without surprise fees. Number 5, speed to value. You should be able to go live quickly and see immediate improvements in response times, visibility, and maintenance consistency. With that framework in mind, let's look at one platform that's often shortlisted for these reasons. Spotlight on Click Maint, a CMMS that's easy to use and implement without the enterprise price tag. Today's sponsor, Click Maint, is an affordable CMMS platform designed specifically for teams that want structure and control without enterprise-level cost or complexity. Here are a few areas where Click Maint shines. Work orders and preventative maintenance. Click Maint allows teams to create, assign, and track work orders while building preventative maintenance schedules that reduce unplanned downtime. Maintenance history is tied directly to assets and locations, giving teams visibility into recurring issues and performance trends. Mobile-friendly execution. Technicians can receive assignments, update statuses, add notes, and close work orders from mobile devices. Because the mobile experience mirrors the desktop workflow, adoption is typically higher and maintenance data is captured when the work happens, not days later. The QR code scanning feature allows technicians to pull up asset, location, and parts data instantly, making the user experience that much easier and better. Asset and inventory tracking. Assets, spare parts, and locations are managed in one place, helping teams understand what they have, where it's used, and what it costs to maintain. That asset-first approach makes it easier to answer questions like, which equipment drives the most downtime? Where are we overspending on reactive repairs? And what should we replace instead of keep fixing? Simple setup and adoption. Click Maint is often chosen because it allows teams to get up and running quickly. It avoids overly complex data migration processes or customization. Instead, it focuses on simple data import, easy to configure forms and workflows, user role options, and simple ways to populate data without turning it into a long-term IT project. Pricing aligned with smaller teams and growth. Certainly one reason Click Maint is often shortlisted as an affordable CMMS is that its pricing and onboarding model are cost-friendly and straightforward. Their professional plan is $42 per user per month when billed monthly, or $35 per user per month when billed annually, and that puts it firmly in the accessible but full-featured tier of CMMS software. Also, for teams starting fresh, there are no mandatory setup fees. If you're moving off spreadsheets or don't need help migrating historical data, you can typically get live without professional services. And for organizations transitioning from another CMMS or importing large data sets, professional services are available as needed. Another huge plus is that Click Maint offers its customers unlimited training throughout their subscription. Analyst takeaway: affordable CMMSs are important for businesses that don't need enterprise solutions or can't afford expensive price tags. Click Maint is a strong fit if you need a true CMMS without enterprise overhead, want to streamline and automate preventative maintenance and work order management, have a lean maintenance team with limited IT support, and care about affordability, ease of use, and fast deployment. Overall, Click Maint hits a sweet spot for organizations that want real maintenance discipline at an accessible price point. If you're evaluating CMMS software, the next step is to schedule a demo through the link in the description to see if Click Maint is right for you. I'm Devin Hennig with SelectHub. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.